What if I told you I created all of these thumbnails using my smartphone and free of charge by the help of AI? Yes, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create clickable thumbnail, curious driving thumbnails, and good quality thumbnails using AI and free of charge. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back for another video. If this is your first time to be on my channel, you're most welcome. My name is Ben, and on this channel, I create videos about tools, tips, and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So subscribe right now and turn on notifications. Let's grow together. Now, the first tool you need, it is a smartphone. After getting a smartphone, we need the second tool, which is ChatGPT. So you open ChatGPT on your smartphone, and this is the second tool that we need. Now, with ChatGPT, we are going to use it to create a prompt that will help us to come up with a good thumbnail. So you got ChatGPT and tell this AI to write for you a prompt. You explain everything to the AI. Now, for example, with my explanation here, I'm asking this AI to write for me a prompt for a video titled How to Create a Facebook Page. Okay, this is just for the example. And now here is a prompt as you see it right here. So the next thing you do is to copy this prompt. I will copy the prompt right here. After copying the prompt, what I'll do next is just to switch and open a new tab on Chrome. Okay, I go on Chrome and open a new tab. Now once I open a new tab, this is what I'm going to search for: image effects. Okay, this is an amazing AI from Google, image effects, and this is how it looks like. But then you tap on this website right here. Okay, so it will load, and this is how it looks like. So I'll paste the prompt right here. And now after pasting the prompt, the next thing you do is to set, and then you scroll down. After scrolling down, you have to make sure that the aspect ratio is 16:9, which is the ratio of YouTube thumbnail. Now, once you make sure that the setting is correct, you go back to input. And then what you do next is tap on this purple button right here to generate the thumbnail. Okay? All right, let's wait for it to generate the thumbnail. Now, the AI is done generating the thumbnail as you see right here. Now, as you see, this AI has created the thumbnails as you see them here. The thumbnails are really, really beautiful. And now you can choose any thumbnail that looks better. Now, for me, I'll go with this one. As I said, I'm creating a thumbnail for my video titled How to Create a Facebook Page. Now, I have to be the one on the thumbnail. The person on the thumbnail is not me, and this person doesn't even look like me. Now, how do I add my image onto this thumbnail and replace with this person that this AI has generated? This is how you do it, okay? Now, what you do, you go back to ChatGPT, okay? What you do next is to add your photo. You just tap on this plus sign right here and then upload file, okay? So you tap on photo library and then you go through your pics. I'll choose this black background picture and then add it, okay? Now, once I add a picture, I'll ask this AI to write a prompt that looks exactly as this person in the image so that I can maintain a consistent character, including curiosity-driving captions. I want to use this prompt on image effects to help me generate a thumbnail for my YouTube video titled How to Start a Facebook Page. I'm explaining everything to this AI so that it comes up with a prompt that I really want, a prompt that explains what I really want. This is the prompt that this AI has written. Once this AI writes this prompt, what you do next is to copy the prompt, okay? You copy the prompt and then you go back to image effects. Now, once you go back to image effects, you refresh the page. After refreshing the page, you paste the prompt right here, the prompt that we just copied from ChatGPT. Okay, after pasting the prompt, what you do next, you first go to settings right here, and then you check to see whether the aspect ratio is still 16:19. After confirming it, you scroll back up. Now, if you want to maintain the consistent character of your image, a consistent character of your picture, what you do is to lock the seed right here, where you see seed right here. You just tap on this lock, and once it locks, what you do next, you go back to input. And now you can generate the thumbnail. You just tap on this purple button right here, and it will generate the thumbnail. Now, this is the thumbnail generated. There are two thumbnails generated right here. And when you look at this person, the face looks similar to mine. This is very fine with my face. And the best thing about this AI, I can keep this same face every time I'm creating my future thumbnails. Now, among the two, you choose the one that you like. Once you choose the one that you like, you tap on this download button right here, and it will begin downloading automatically. As you see, it is downloading here. What you do, you just tap on save. If you found this video helpful, please like it, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Watch this video if your problem is getting watch hours. I explained on how I got over 3,600 watch hours in just a period of 7 hours. Not 7 days, not 7 weeks, but 7 hours, using a mysterious strategy. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.